Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So today my brother asked me to wash his big trucks here at a lot that we rent, and didn't really feel like bringing them to the warehouse, and it's hard to back into our warehouse and such. I'm showing you guys some before shots. Pretty dirty. Cabs are really dirty. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna try to do this, and if this works good, then I'll end up doing it more. I'm just starting with this backpack sprayer. It's full of clean water. Let's spray it down. So next I have this little 1 gallon. It has soap in it. I'm gonna spray the whole thing down. I'm gonna spray the whole thing down with this. Now what I'm gonna do, I have it all soaked down. I'm just gonna wipe it all down. Alright guys, here's the dirtiest part, the back. It's pretty dirty. Hitting it again with the water and soap. I mean, I got it clean for the most part, but still gotta get like little corners and stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with the water one more time and call it good. It's a quick way to wash a box truck on the run. Next we'll do those guys.